In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Stripe balance report. To get started, log into your Stripe account. Make sure you're using the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one business or profile. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm that you're on the main dashboard, so it's easier to follow the rest of the process. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Balances. This section is where Stripe organizes information related to the money flowing through your account, including available funds, pending balances, and reporting tools. After opening Balances, go to the Reports area and click Balance Summary. This will take you to the page where you can generate the report you need. From here, select the date range for the report. This step is important because it determines exactly what period of balance activity will be included in the export. Choose the dates carefully based on whether you need the report for accounting, reconciliation, internal review, or record keeping. If you're unsure, it can help to double-check the reporting period before continuing. Once the date range is set, review the balance report details shown on the screen. This is a good time to make sure the information matches what you expect before exporting anything. Checking the details now can save time later and help prevent downloading the wrong report. When everything looks correct, click Export. Stripe will then give you export options. Select Download to System to have the report generated for direct download to your device. Depending on the size of the report and the amount of data included, it may take a few moments for Stripe to prepare the file, so just wait while the report is being generated. After the report is ready, save it to your computer. Try to store it somewhere easy to find, such as your Downloads folder or a dedicated Reports folder, especially if you'll need to reference it again later. Keeping your files organized can make future audits, reviews, or monthly reconciliations much easier. Finally, open the downloaded file and verify the balance report data. Take a quick look through the contents to confirm the date range, totals, and general report information are correct. This final review helps ensure that the file downloaded properly and that you have the right data before sharing or using it for your records. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Stripe balance report. Thanks for watching.